Hi, today we are in Chennai Chetpet Doshi Land Stephen Flats, where we have about a community of about 36 flats here, and here we have a high water problem, for which what solution we have provided. We are just going to see this, and this is the filtration unit which was done about 6 years ago, and customer is very happy. I'm just going to tell you how the working is going to be in this area. Water is very bad because of iron levels are very high in the water, for which we have installed 2 iron removal plants, and the final one which you see down here is the last one is the water softening plant, and this has been installed more than 6 years ago. And the water is actually, there are 2 sumps beneath here. One is on the ground here, which is about 1 lakh liter capacity. Other one we have a sump of 60,000 liters capacity. What we have done is we have separated into 2 separate sumps, and one is 100 liters capacity, where the water, all the bowel water comes and collects in this bowel sump, and we have the bowel water getting collected here. There are about four bowels. 4 bowels in this community, so all the 4 bowel water comes and collects into this 100 KLD tank. There is about 1 lakh liters tank, and what we have done is, because the water level, iron level is very high and we can't do a aeration system in open, we have provided a air blower here, and the first one which you don't see here, that is the air blower. From the air blower through this pipe down here, from this air blower, the air is being blown through this pipe down to this 1 lakh liters capacity tank, where we have beneath under the sump we have installed air diffusers, which I will later show you in the picture. The aeration is done in the sump through this air blower, so that the iron has been separated from the water, so that the heavy particles settle down in the tank. And these heavy particles, whichever is settled down, is removed through this small pump down here, which is a half HP pump, which we call as a sludge pump, and this sludge pump is going down till the end of the sump, so that all the dust are removed from the sump. From the pump, the water is pushed to the first filtration cylinder, which removes the iron from the water, and then it goes to the second filtration cylinder, and there also the iron has been removed, and finally the water passes in through the final filtration cylinder, which is the water softening plant, where the water is getting softened, and whatever the water is softened, and the treated water gets collected to the treated water sump, which we saw earlier. I'm just going to show you that. And this is the sump which is in the car park area, which is the treated water sump. From here, it is directly distributed to the entire 36 flats which the community who live in here. Thank you.